आज आमगेली जी मीटिंग आली विथ रिलेटिंग टू द स्टरलायझेशन प्रोग्राम आणि जेन्ना आमी विधानसभेन जो काडलो assurance was been given about how the policy should be framed, and today there were several MLAs and NGOs that suggested several things. Basically there is a total failure on the part of the department. In the last 15 years there is absolutely lethargic attitude. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा कित्याक जो budget head ha about 3 crores, hardly 58 lakhs have been utilized relating to the sterilization program. Now we have to do it on the war footing. The NGOs felt their local bodies are they are not cooperating with them. Payments are pending for 7-8 months. There is no facility. सरकाराक दिसता की नॉर्थ गोवा आणि साऊथ गोवा ह्या दोन डिस्ट्रिक्टान सेंटर कोतले म्हणून स्टरलायझेशन ऑफ 100 पर डे विल बी कॅरीड आउट. They absolutely do not have the type of equipment. They do not have the concerned staff, and हुई dista they are not serious. So basically, while summoning up the whole issue, we have requested the Honorable Minister. We have taken the suggestion possibly by the first week of Jan, and in the first week of Jan we will assembly session we will discuss it. There is a need for sterilization जरी सक्सेस जातले प्रॅक्टिकली एक कोडे 80% सक्सेस रेट हा, भूतानान 100% सक्सेस रेट हा. सो वॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला? सर्वे पडो गव्हर्मेंट कोता नाव जो गोर कोत मु सांगता येते, पण गोरान जेन्ना कोताय ह्या सर्वेक NGO को खबर ना डॉग सर्वे तो दे आर सेइंग दैट इट इज अ कॅटल सर्वे. सो दिस गव्हर्मेंट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट सिरियस. आम्ही सांगायला त्यांना की हे सुरवातेक ते म्हणलेले ते अजेंडा इज 100% स्टरलायझेशन ओ एशको जावपाक शिरपणा हर घर जल 100%, हर घर फायबर 100%, हर घर सडक 100%. हे इसली फोकाणां जरी तर केली जाल्यार वी वील फेल स्टरलायझेशन इश्यू. आमगेले with the menace on the beach, dog bite and all this. Goa's name is getting spoiled. We are a tourism destination, a tourist destination, Devonta. So all these things were discussed in detail, and we will make sure that we will take it to a logical conclusion. But allocate finance जावपाक जाय, financial allocation हाका जावपाक जाय, because it costs in crores of rupees. And जरी तर successful जाल्यार we have requested the Honorable Minister. And suggestions will be taken and we will discuss about it further.
Sir, any of major suggestion you have given?
No, we have suggested that constituency wise aspak jai, rather than don't center North Goa and South Goa. Rather than that 40 centers. Apart from that, NGO local bodies have to be, letters have to be written to them, and they have to be told of the seriousness of this issue. Some panchayats are holding bills for 8-7 months. They are not serious. So, second suggestion. Third suggestion, there has to be a survey. How many stray dogs are there? What is the actual population? How it can be handled scientifically? I think there are data. There's another sterilization, equipment, and the manpower and the finance. All these have to be together. So if we are go on a war heading, we can eradicate this one.